The WOWY Awards Top 5 nominees for the Supplier of the Year. Balay Kandila.
Thank you very much. Again, thank you ulit. Sana we could still extend our services to you, and do call us kung natutulog kami kahit meron ng discount. Hindi, meron din yun.
Good evening, and thank you for this. This is our second already. We're proud of it. For those who are having difficulties later on getting friendly, just call us. We got our extension services. Hey, thank you so much. It's a bigger medal. Thank you. It's our second. But more than the trophies, we're always happy that our collection of WOWs continue to increase and increase. Thank you so much.
Jason Magbanwa, Digital Video.
This really means so much talaga. Sobrang thank you sa community. Wow! Ang dami ko sinabi dun sa interview. Hindi wala akong masabi talaga. Really thank you. The website, the community, the couple, John, Benz, the whole crew is there. Thanks guys. Of course, my wife, Kang, twice in 2 years. Thanks a lot. Thank you for the support, for the faith. Salamat talaga. Salamat ng marami. Salamat. Thanks.
Imagination Photography.
Speechless din. Hindi naman ako sanay dito sa harap. Sanay ako magpa-post, pero hindi salita in front. But thank you everyone for the support. Thank you for those who voted. Pati dun sa hindi nag-vote, thank you na rin. Siyempre, I wouldn't have made it this far without my partner, Jill. Thank you very much. Next year, dapat magkasama tayo dito. And everyone.
Goodbye letter to everyone with my suppliers.
Events experts.
Just being part of the top 10 was my partner, my sister-in-law Monel, and to the whole staff of Events Experts. And I also share this award with my own other suppliers. Thank you very much. Thank you, John and Bess, for spearheading this. Thank you.
Decisive moments, little dreams.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Sorry po, wala po si Mr. Vlad Cortez ngayon. Ako mo yung representative niya in decisive moments. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
The Wowie Awards Top 5 nominees for the Supplier of the Year.